everyone, this is Miss Wong. I am here to show you how to link Canvas assignments to Skyward directly so you guys don't have to grade it and then re-put it into the Skyward. So I'm here on my Launchpad. I am going to go on my Canvas. Once it comes up, the thing is you have to use the courses that the district has created for you, which should be the first 6 of them. I'm going to go to my language art. So I'm going to click on my language art course. My classroom page is Starbucks because I love Starbucks. Once I get there, I'm going to go under the assignments. Now, the thing is, the assignment group has to be the same as what's on Skyward for them to link it. So remember when we did the categories, we had the classwork, formative, homework, lab, participation, quiz, summative, and test. And I do feel like most of the work that students will be doing on Canvas will be classwork, quiz, and test. So on this assignment tab, I'm going to create different groups. I already created the classwork group, and I'm going to create another one, which I'm going to click on this part, and I'm going to type in quiz, save it, and I'm going to make another one, another group for the test. Now, let's say I want to add the assignment on their classwork. So on here, I'm going to click the plus sign where I can add the assignment. So I'm going to call that classwork 1. And I'm going to make the due date as the 21st. And then points, I'm going to have it as 5, and make sure you click on Sync to Skyward EA+. And you're going to save it. Now remember, once you click on the assignment, you can, it's not letting me, I'm going to click on here and click on Edit. Now it works. Alright, so once I click on classwork, you can also edit what's on here. Like you can type in what you want the students to do. You can also link different things. That's another training that we have to do, but I'm just going to show you how to link the assignment to the Skyward. So once I'm done, I'm going to save and make sure you publish it for students to see. I'm going to go back to my home page, and this gray part will be now black. The reason why is now I have something in my content so students can see that. I'm going to go down where it says grades. And let's say I'm going to grade this classwork. So I'm going to click on each of them. I'm going to do one. I'm just going to give random grades for everybody. Oops. Alrighty, so I did that, and it automatically saves, so I'm not too worried about saving. Now, after you do that, you are going to click on Action, and you are going to sync to Skyward EA+. After you input the grade in, if it's a quiz, it's going to just automatically do it for you. For the sections, you are going to click on your class instead of all sections. And you are going to click on the things that you want it to be synced. So I'm going to click on Post Grades. Scheduled, I'm going to click to see the progress. It's running. I'm going to give it a minute. You can also refresh to, it says completed. So once you refresh it, it will say completed. Once it is completed, you can go back and check go back to your Launchpad, go to Skyward Production. I'm going to go to my gradebook, Teacher Access Gradebook. I'm going to click on Language Art 3 because that's where my class was. bam, right there, we have it. So that's one way we can use Canvas. I guess district is really wanting us to use Canvas a lot. So that's one way I found that we can use it by doing the assignments or quiz or test on here, and then you don't even have to grade it. Canvas will grade it for you, and then you can just automatically sync it to your account. So that's what I have. Remember, when you're on the assignment page, you're going to add the groups, and you can also make it, you can also link the quizzes on the quiz page. So that can be done, and different things. So hope this video helps for you to assign it, and then the grade will sync. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.